welcome back to my channel. So I hope everyone's being safe and doing lots of crafting if you do craft, or if you're not crafting, then you spend time with your family, extra time, or spring crafting, spring cleaning, or what have you. You know, just find things, keep busy and safe. So today I'm going to show you some cards that I made with some the papers that I had in my stash, and some die cuts that I found laying around also. So let's jump in and I'll show you the cards I made. So this first card is made with some bow bunny paper, and it has a die cut of a, oh gosh, what is this called? Butterfly. Oh my god, I can't put my mouth. It's butterfly, and this blessed die cut. So this is really cute. So there's 3 different papers of bow bunny paper on here. So, yes, this is so cute. So this one here, I mean, it's my favorite actually. So this one, when I made this one, it reminded me of Paris, and I was like, well, let me see how I can translate Paris into paper. And so then, you know, when you go to Paris, well, no, for me personally, I meant Paris, but well, when I travel, I like to take pictures. So, and for me, there are moments when you take pictures of where we go. So I was like, okay, so if I go to Paris, I'm gonna take pictures. So I put this camera here, and I put this little banner that says "Little Moments," and then they have their frames. And so then I took the small frame and centered it in the big frame, and there was like this little bird. And so I was thinking to myself, like, okay, you're taking a picture of this bird and this little moment, and that's what I got out of it. But so that's this one here. I used embossing folder, and I had some 3D stickers. I'm not sure which these came from. They were just on some the bottom stuff, and so I don't even know. I don't even have the packaging anymore. And so it says "Father Knows Best," and it's a cute little tie. So here's another 4-day card. This one has a put away. This put away, I think, I want to say it is, oh my goodness, what is the lady's name? I know I go to the camera, I don't remember, but I can't think of her name. But so this is her die cut. Well, it's not actually die cut. It's a foam 3D. It's like really thick. So I took Happy Day Father. Nice words. Happy Days Dad, and put that in there as a picture, and I put some prose in there. With this house, I cut it off my Cricut, and I took some paper, and I took some fancy scissors behind here, this paper right here, and then, and also in the scraps there was some paper. It was a whole paper, and I was looking at the paper, and I saw this word, no place like home, and I was like, oh, well, I can use this, and it goes perfect. So I took the paper and cut it on a diagonal, and just put a piece right here, and this heart that you see right here came from this part right here. Instead, I just put it there instead. So that's how I came about that one. And then this one right here just says, "Together is our favorite place to be." And when I saw this embossing folder, I was like, of the times, and I was like, because you know, basically you're all together. It's about being together, no matter who you are or where you at. And it's about getting through this together. So that's why I thought this when I saw this one. So that's all the cards. So that's all I wanted to show you. See you for now.